Hey folks, welcome back to the Vegas Don channel. We're here on the Pat Tillman Bridge, Interstate 11, looking down at Hoover Dam here and the Colorado River. The dam was constructed to provide water to Arizona, California, and Nevada. And you can see not a whole lot of traffic down there on the bridge. You can drive on the bridge, but that traffic seems to be very light right now, probably due to the 115-degree temperatures that are hitting the bridge right now and the dam. There is the Colorado River as it continues southbound, and Lake Mead just before the dam itself, or as Clark W. Griswold might say, the Dam. You can see the roadway here, carving out a path through the mountains as it heads up to the dam and then goes over into the Arizona side and then climbs back up into the mountains there. This was constructed 1931 to 1935 or 6. Named for J. Edgar Hoover, not J. Edgar Hoover, the Hoover president, not the head of the FBI. It's beautiful. You can see some boats out there just on the other side of that red line that they have out there. These big semis come by and shake the whole bridge. But yeah, that's the Hoover Dam, the view from the Pat Tillman Bridge. We're gonna go ahead and start walking back down towards the Bridge Skywalk parking lot. Now heading westbound here over the bridge. You can see all the transmission lines there for electrical. And that is an Interstate 11 right there. Someone lost a heel there. As we continue back towards the parking lot here. Bridging greatness. It says there. So you have the Arizona on one side of the bridge here, and then the state of Nevada on the other side, the west side. That looks like a big giant water bottle up there or something. I don't know what that is. That's weird. Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge here on Interstate 11, completed in 2010. Enter at your own risk. No exit at end of walkway, and then rules for the bridge there. And there is the battle-born flag of the state of Nevada. Pacific time zone. Anchors and foundations. Advertise there. Get good footing. Find solid ground with surveys and tests. That's what that says there.
Be straight. You're very welcome. I share.
That one's broken. And here we go, back down into the parking lot. Solar powered emergency light there. Unlike the way up, we'll just take the stairs down. It's sticky. The stairs are sticky. I don't know if they're meant to be like that or what. Or maybe it's just my shoes melting because it's so hot. (115 degrees Fahrenheit). I would have stayed longer, but it's just so hot out here. Come back down here to the base of the walkway. Desert and bridge are risky places. Be aware of your surroundings. Stay on paved walkways, bring water, shade, and sunscreen, and act responsibly. Enter at own risk. No bicycles. Part of this transmission tower here. Florida tag there, so you have your restrooms over there. Make it easy. Come out here in a car or a bus. So you're able to get yourself some relief. We're going to drive down to the dam, drive over the dam. It's really hot to the touch. Really, really hot to the touch there. Get that AC going. And now we will drive down to the dam. Drive over the dam. Car still registers 117 degrees Fahrenheit. It definitely feels every degree of it too. And it's a dry heat, but you do work up a sweat, that's for sure. Probably would have been worse if I'd gone up the stairs instead of up the ramp the whole way. Thank you for visiting. Buckle up and drive carefully. Follow the sign that says Hoover Dam here at this stop sign. Proceed. Speed limit 25 down here. Hoover Security Response Force right there. That's what that sign is. 15-mile-an-hour speed limit upcoming. No left turn. I guess they've had a problem with that sort of thing. And there's the bridge that we were just on. Passing overhead. No parking. And there's a tourism helicopter up there in the sky. Probably on its way out to Grand Canyon. They do that. They'll stop here and let you take photos and stuff. I've never been on one, and they're very expensive. At least for me, they're expensive, so I don't know anything more about them. Up to this little gate thing here. Raised crosswalk, low ground clearance. And the parking garage here on the left, parking is $10 if you want to get out and walk it. It's a little warm right now, so I think I'll pass on that. But we will drive over the bridge. And then the tours are there on the left where the elevator is. Where there's a security guard standing in front of the elevator. Presumably to tell you the tours are over for today. And here we go. We're driving over the Hoover Dam. With a Florida plate in front of us. That's a drive. See another tourism helicopter here to our left. We have them all over the place here. Left, to the right. To the window, to the wall. No pedestrians beyond that point. It says there. Employee parking, I guess you're just going to hang out there. And that was the drive over the dam right there. I'm going to go up here. Now we're on the Arizona side, of course, so parking for lot 9, they're charging $10. I thought all the lots on the west side, east side, yeah, Arizona side were free. But that does not appear to be the case any longer. Okay, so this one here is free. So it looks like it's just the first one. They charge you $10 for it. The Grand Canyon State welcomes you here to Arizona. We're going to pull into this little lot here. Show you the bridge right there. Just beautiful. Even here in the desert, there is beauty. There's beauty in ordinary things, as Pam Hopper once said. can see a semi passing over the bridge up there overhead. And we want to thank you all so very, very much for joining. We really appreciate all of you, and we love all of you. Thank you so very, very much for being here. If you haven't already, please do like, follow, and subscribe to us on YouTube and on TikTok. And do Vegas Don gear available in our shop section of YouTube with the Vegas Don logo on top of the Vegas skyline available in our shop, and we have some great cold weather gear out there as well. So warm and cold weather. I was just up on that bridge and it was very hot, and the shirt doesn't look very sweaty at all. So very comfortable. Thank you all for very, very, very much for joining. We really appreciate all of you, and also always remember, here on the Vegas Don channel, it's the journey. We'll see you next time.